pagkakataon. Gundong ang mga palad, lahat ng aking paghihirap ay inaalay ko sa'yo. Anumang pagsubok ang ating harapin, mananatiling nakatayo.
So, hi everyone! Welcome to our vlog. So now, I'm going to explain the file handling in our vehicle rental management system. In our vehicle rental management system, file handling is important because it helps us save important information like customer information, vehicle details, and rental record. This makes the system easier to use since the data is already stored and does not need to be entered again.
Today we'll briefly explain how file handling works in a vehicle rental management system and why it's important in managing customer and rental records. Let's go started. For example, when a customer rents a vehicle, the system collects and stores important information such as the customer details, the type of the vehicle rented, and rental date, and the expected return date. Once the vehicle is returned, the system automatically updates the file to record the actual return date and the vehicle's availability status. This process helps us ensure the records are accurate, organized, easy to access, making the vehicle rental operation more efficient and reliable.
Ikaw ang hiraya, kahit saan man patungo, liwanag ang pag-asa sa bawat sulok ng mundo. Ikaw ang hiraya, kahit saan man patungo, liwanag ang pag-asa sa bawat sulok. Andito hawakan ang aking kamay, lalabay ng sabay-sabay. Tayo ang isang panibagong bukas ang ating hinahangad. Huwag mong sasayangin ng pagkakataon, dumadagundong ang mga palad. Lahat ng aking paghihirap ay inaalay ko sa'yo. Anumang pagsubok ang ating harapin, mananatiling nakatayo. Ikaw ang hiraya, kahit saan man patungo, liwanag ang pag-asa sa bawat sulok ng mundo.
That's a wrap up for our vlog. We hope you learned how file handling helps keep vehicle rental records organized. And thanks for watching everyone. See you for our next vlog.